They have absolutely everything from a full dental kit to a comb, shaving kit, cotton buds, sanitary bag with body lotion. The towels are located at the bottom. They label everything from the master to the reading to the wall lamp, the night light, and the entry and the room. And they also have a USB port with a plug by the side of the bed. 2 teacups from the Kingdom of Thailand with Twinings, tea, and Nescafe. 2 small plates. Don't forget that there's a hot water boiler. It's located right on top. A beautifully large window. They have a prime breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Running water. Wow, what is that? They have a shoe shine too. Amazing. 2 beautiful bathrobes with slippers. And there's also an iron, a flashlight, and coat hangers. They have a fitness, which is nice. They even have a Fendi, you know, or even Bodega Veneta. So if you want to do your luxury shopping, you've also got a Gucci shop. The swim here is okay. The view is nice. It's expansive. The pool has enough space if you want to get your swimming workout in. Hotels, they're gonna have room service. A beautiful pizza. Smells absolutely wonderful. Let's try the pizza. Oh my god. The cheese. The pizza at this hotel is so good. And this is the view at night. The shampoo, the body wash, and the conditioner. That's good orange juice. That's pretty fresh. It's near the Promphong BTS. So after you have your breakfast and you dress up, you can quickly go to any meeting or any place that you have to go on a business trip. So it's really close in the city, and you know, close to the BTS Promphong.